Pentecostal Network Pennet Program Clear to Te Inza in Lalpai Swamping in Zimbabwe. Tungkar Chunga Northeast India UPC Kohhran rawngbawlna chanchin thar clear in Nilangai Thlangu. September ni somni pangani laini kha UPC Northeast India Kohhran ni poimo Missionary Day ni a Missionary Day ta na mantura pass ani atanga avoi somli pathumna ni in India mar chakpum hwapa man ani. Missionary Day hian Kohhran Office, Bible College, Bookstall, School le Kohhran hun poimo dangte khar ani a twal chung Kohhran tamjok chuan omni khamin ruainen he ni hi an hmanga Kohhran then khat chuan zan lama chau an hmang thung he ni den chena revival program buatsai hun hmangpo omnwalin mun then khata chuan member tharnen he ni hi an hmang ani Heni poimo achar chwa tura Rahman Missionary Day thu chapo General Headquarters atangin Northeast India UPC huamchung twal chung Kohhran tina thon chwa vek ani Northeast India UPC Kohhran hian tundin huna Mizoram chung le state pona nen avain missionaries ani somli pali arwai meka missions field pakwa heng Assam Dimapur Upper Assam and East Arunachal North Bengal and Sikkim Bihar and Jharkhand Odisha, Andaman and Nicobar Island, Arunachal Pradesh le Bhutan field at hian rawngbawlna na athok mek ani. General Missions Shwai Tuten heng huna at hian an manpui. General Director Reverend Arlel Hoya Salem Kohshana. General Secretary Reverend V.L. Tuanga Sinate Upper Republic Kohshana. General Treasurer Evangelist Pisila Rokima Chaltang Kohshana. UPCI General Conference September ni somni pali atangani somni pasari chungkhan khovel pumhwap UPC Kohhran in khom puilian General Conference Indiana Convention Center at twang taka nei ani a UPC Northeast India atangin General Superintendent Reverend Lalmal Somasai lo chuan he conference hi aman pui khovel pumhwap Pentecostal Kohhran in to khomna lian ber a hian Reverend Wayne Huntley Reverend Jack Cunningham Reverend Rashidi Collins Reverend Bruce Howell, Reverend David K. Bernard, Reverend David Brown, Victor Jackson te speaker atana man anni. September ni somni pangani laini khan khovel pumhwa pa UPC Kohhran try to atan hengmi te hi an thlang thar. General Superintendent Reverend David K. Bernard, Assistant General Superintendent for the Western Zone, Reverend Stan Gleason, Assistant General Superintendent for the Eastern Zone, Reverend Paul Mooney, Global Missions Director Reverend Bruce Howell, North American Missions Director Reverend Scott Sitstrang, Children's Ministries Director Reverend Steve Cannon, Youth Ministries Director Reverend Joshua Carson, Ladies Ministries President Reverend Linda Gleason, Western Zone Executive Presbyter Reverend Tim Gaddy, Regional Executive Presbyter of the Northwest Region, Reverend Travis Miller, Regional Executive Presbyter of the North Central Region, Reverend Steve Wildford, Regional Executive Presbyter of the South Central Region, Reverend Tim Sullivan, Regional Executive Presbyter of the Southeast Region, Reverend Daniel Davey, Ministers Appeal Council, Reverend Terry Park, Ministers Appeal Council, Reverend J.R. Blackshear, Ministers Appeal Council, Reverend Robert Hanson. General Conference hian UPC Northeast India kung puipoimo General Superintendent Masaber Reverend Harry E. C. Zimanhena kumsang ni sompakwan Northeast India UPC General Conference report bule Executive Board in Apoket Monitor athonchu Reverend Lalmal Somasai lo hian hlanin Reverend Harry E. C. Zimchuan thinlunglom takadongin angai hlule Executive Board in Global Missions Director Nupui Boralta Sister Diani Howell Ralna athonpo Reverend Bruce Howell hena ahlan ngala Heral na huntoi bot sa hi Asia Regional Director Reverend Lyndon Sham Chuan Kaishwain Northeast India UPC General Superintendent Reverend Lalmal Somasai lo hian UPC Northeast India Kohhranin Sister Diani Howell anui thule Reverend Bruce Howell po antwar pui takzetani ti soin ralna thilpek hi ahlan ani Sister Diani Hawel Ihian Kumsang ni Sompriat April Tha Northeast India UPC General Conference Aizola Neya Khan Apasal Reverend Bruce Hawel Rantoy Omin Limtakin Hun Aron Mga Northeast India UPC Koshan Hautizing Pathian Fak Nuam Ati Thule Mizoram Nuam Ati Thu Asoy na Sahle Nghe Ani General Shwai to the program. General Superintendent Reverend Lelma Somasai Lagjan September ni Somni Pali Atanga ni Somni Pasari Chungane UPCI General Conference Ahmad Nuin Kaushan Tul Shanga International Level Shwai to Liante Komin America Hun Mangchunzoma October ni Kwani Lainia Mizoram Teng Turin Ruangmanna Asyam General Missions Director Reverend R. Lalhoya Chuan Tun Pathiani Mga Champhai Bial Missions Conference Speaker Atangin Rawngbawlna Aneya General Missions Treasurer Evangelist PC Laroki Mapu in Bethlehem Bial Missions Conference Speaker Atangin Rawngbawlna Anebok General Sunday School Director Reverend R. Lai Chingpuile Secretary Reverend R. Vanal Oy de Chuan September ni Somni Pasari Atangani Somni Pakuchunghian Sia Habial Sunday School Seminar Bosia Resource Person Atangin Rawngbawlna Anne District Shangshang Rawngbawlna Chanchin Ngai Thak Chunjomila Lunglei District September ni Somni Pangani Laini Kha UPC Northeast India Kaushan ni Poimo Missionary Day ani Angin Lunglei District Chunga Local Shangshang te Chuan Heni Hilim Takin an Mga Local Tamjok Chuan Missionary Day Kha Omni Khamin Hun an Mga Zaikhop na Nein Tlai Lama Arwai an Chebok Local Chen Khatchuan Missionary Day Hizan Lama an Mga Thingpui Roi Nen Zaikhop na Nein Hlim Takin Hun an Mga Missionary Day Thucha Local Shangshanga Chiar Chuan an Nei Anibok Hetiang hi District Shwai to the Missionary Day and Mandan ani District Secretary Reverend PC Lalfak Omachuan Trizo Local 10 Missionary Day September ni Somni Pali atang ni Somni Pangachunga alom na hunan buasaya Speaker atang Reverend C Larin Tuang Achu Khoshi Local Missionary Day mangin Speaker atang District Missions Director Reverend R. Vanal Engelchuan Missionary Day Headquarters Lokala Thusoyin Zanlama Ramthar AOC Lokala Thusoy Rawngbawlna Anebok September ni Somni Pariata Tangani Somni Pakuchunghian Pukpui BLPCD te Chuan Pukpui Lokala BLPCD Revival Meet and Buat Saidona Speaker Atan District Superintendent Reverend C. Vanal Enachu an Mangang September ni Somni Pariat Inrini Hian Chong te Local te Chuan Seminar and Buat Saidona Resource Person Atan District Secretary Reverend PC Lalfak Omachukman ani ang Seminar Thupuyatan Accountancy le Leadership ti Chukman ani anga September ni Somni Pakwa Pathiani Chunhuhian Thianglim na Seminar nei Chunjom le ani ang Sertang Puibial LED te Chuan Kumin Chungin Thianglim na Seminar Local tina ne inise anlo ti chu Chakta Kabo Zuin Deng Sur Bor Pui Sertlang Pui le Chuan Pui Local ate Seminar hi an Buat Saito a Seminar to Berna ni Turin September ni Somni Pani Pathian ni Khan South Lungdai Local Thianglim na Seminar hi an nei le a Resource Person Atan Bial du Pastor Ti Zaming le na Chukman ani He Seminar hi Local Upale Rongbol tu te baka Bial LED Shwai tu ten an Troy Om ani September ni Somni Pasari Zirtop Zana Tangkhan Haulong Bial Missions Conference chu Zautui Tlang Biak ina nei ani a Speaker Atan Cheng Pui Home Missionary Evangelist Simon Amar Chupman ani September ni Somni Pariat Inrin ni Khan Ro Rel na nei ani a Inkhom Pui Chung Hian Lal Ngil nei le Bial PY Disciple de Chuan Zion Rawngbawlna an neyang Inkhom Pui hi September ni Somni Pakwa Pathiani Zan Thleng nei ani ang September ni Somni Pani Pathian ni Khan Haulong BLPYD Education Subcommittee Buat Sayin Zautui Tlang Local Education Kam HIV AIDS Awareness Campaign nei ani a Member Kal Khom Ten an Lok Tlang le September ni Somni Pariat atangani Somni Pakachung Hian Thairiat BLPCD te Chuan Sport Cam Release Bok Vengthar Local an Mangdon September ni Somni Pariat Inrini nilengin sport items Tishangshang mangin intihlim na nei ani anga September ni Somni Pakwa Pathian ni Hian item Shangshang Hunom Taktak Interim PCD ten Lim Takin Hun an Mangang September ni Somni Pakat atangani Somni Pani Chung Khan Moltram Not Electric Local BYD te chu Moltram Venglai Local Rawngbawlin an Fe Chwaka Lim Takin Hun an Mang He hun ahian PYD te hi Rawngbawltu le LED ten an Troy Om ani September ni somni pariat atangani somni pakuchung hian Mall Tram North Electric Local Missions Department de chu Mall Cheng South Local rongbawlin an fe chuak dona unaw palal ming zwala rongbol tu ke pa zone le upa r ramlian aten thu choi rongbol na an neyang September ni somni pani pathian ni khan Sept Missions Field Maltang Local mithar pakhat Home Missionary rongbol tu la rin zwala chuan kaushana aseng lut September ni somni atangani somni pani chungkhang na thial bial Missions Department bot sein leite local crusade nei ania speaker atan thiltlang Home Missionary Evangelist ke la lupuya chuman ania thupuya tan idin thar le ang u ti chuman ani Speaker hi bial Missions Department den loman atan poisa fai hlanin speaker hian aloman don hi thiltlang bek in saknan ahlan ani Pangzol Bial Missions Department bot sayara mud program bungtlang local nei meka September ni somni pakhat inrin ni khan Reverend Seal ming thangate chungkwa chuan pathian choi moina anneya limtaka hun mangin September ni somni pathum thojan ni khan kaushan hoten choi moina hi an bot sai chunjom le bok Chimtuipui District Rongbawlna chanchin September ni somni pangani lai ni khan riasika kaushan chuan an kaushan kum khatlin lomna roinen hlim takin an manga he huna han speaker atan Evangelist en thangnuna District Evangelist chuman ani naw pani hlan ni in mi pali in baptisma an changbok baptisma changjinga pakhat hi mi thar ni in kaushana senglu ngal ani Chimtuipui District PYD Conference in Alaurel to angin no tobacco to PYD bozui na pengpoi mo atan October ni khata tangani ruksu hian district chung local tintele bial tinten no tobacco week an mangdon hetiangin ro man na an siam ni khatna thole ni bial le local tinrem chandan angin week hon na hi mantur ani ni na nilai ni district atanga donjuk le momdo na lam thuziak signboard khochung lun laya tar tur ani a pamphlets le posters semhal tur ani ang heni hi social work day ani ni thumna ninga ni bial le local ten kan rem chan anga man tur ani nilina zirtop ni Chimtuipui District PYD WhatsApp group Chimtuipui District PYD Northeast India online in zugle mom vailo le akai hnoi thatlo na lam slogan in zia siak tur ani ninga ni inrin ni bial le local atheiten zugle mom thatlo na lam hoi awareness program nei tur ani nirukna pathian ni chonhulama week kharna hi atheitheiten nei tur ani ang September ni somni paruk ninga ni khan Chimtuipui District PYD kumto board nei ani a board hi district committee room nei ani district board a hian district PYD conference program chungchang district PYD choir chungchang kumsang ni somni district PYD budget short term missionary chungchang evangelism tour baka no tobacco week chungchang ti an ngai tua ani September ni somni pakhata tangani somni pani chung mangkhan ni otlang bial le se habiala district PYD evangelism tour hlotling takan nei ani ni otlang biala hian district PYD secretary twalupa h laldu sanga rongbol tu eldong liana evangelist Robert Lal Ompuya rongbol tu ls lal mingmwana rongbol tu jena larin twangale unaw nulal choi liani ten rongbol na anneya unaw nulal ngil nein zai rongbol na aneibok September ni somni pasari atangani somni pakuchung hian se habial chuan bial chunga local tin Sunday school try to dele puitling no pangzir tir tu zongjong tetana seminar abwaseya he huna han general Sunday school director Reverend R Laithingpuile secretary Reverend R Vanel Oete resource person atan an mang ani Longtlai West District September ni somni pasari atangani somni pangachung hian Longtlai South section chuan PYD le LAD joint sectional conference Longtlai College veng biak ina an mang joint conference a hian Reverend Lalbiak dikachote speaker atan an roya unaw nulal din parin zai rongbawlna aneibok North Mizoram District Rongbawlna chanchin September ni somni panga chu Northeast India hwapa United Pentecostal Church Stand Missionary Day an manhun ani angin North Mizoram District hwamchung bial somthuma kaushan sangsangten ursun le hlotling takin an mang Missionary Day hi sarkar chol ani lo awangin kaushan tamjok te chuan zana program siamin hun an manga heti rol hyang kaushan chanem takin chuna program te siamin roi hne na mangpo engemozat anombok Missionary Day a hian General Headquarters Lamatanga Missionary Day thucha chiar chwa ani baka missions field a thoktu te polin tholom khon ani boka rongbol tu ten missions rongbol na shanga infui tharna te nei ani tunhuna North Mizoram District Huamchunga Home Missionary tele an thona munte tar langila Evangelist Vanlal Oya Marpara Missions Field Evangelist Isakla Rohlu a Persang Missions Field Evangelist Chanchin Maras Zali Missions Field Unaw nu F Lel Siam Liani Zomwan Tlang Missions Field Unaw nu Esther Lel Rongboli Bible Woman Bajirung Missions Field Unaw nu Khol Liani Bible Woman Kolalian Missions Field Evangelist Lel Rampana Damdia Missions Field Evangelist RS Lel Nunmoya Vongonzo Missions Field Evangelist H Lel Nunzira Dilzol Missions Field Unaw nu Kelel Biagzwali West Pulpui Missions Field Apostolic Revival Team 10 Revival Crusade and Naikal Tangin Mithar Pakhat Kaushana Senglu Ani Leng Pui Bial Ro Pui Chip Kaushan Bot Sain Revival Crusade Hloting Tak Nei Ani a Crusade Hian Ni Som Pani Zet o in September Ni Som Pakhat Ni Lai Nia Bult Antana Thojan Ni Kalta September Ni Som Ni Bathum Khan Herong Bol No Hi Achiak Ta Ani Ropui Chip Kaushan 10 Pentecostal Revival Team Kaltanga Revival Crusade and Nei Hi Pathian in Mal Asom Le a September Ni Som Ni Bani Pathian Ni Khan Mithar Pakhat Lomlu Ani Baka Member Chaklo Le Tharau Lam Saltang Mitam Takten Nun Thar Nei Le in Biak Buk An Pana Tharau Lam Siam Tharna Du Tak Atheng Ani Herong Bol Na Kaltang Hian Pathian Ne Na Lom Thu Soi Le Choi Moi Na Tumli Omin Kaushan Te Po An Hlim Hle Nge Ani Jehovah Rapha Revival Team Evangelist Laldu Saka Sazale Arongbol Puite Chuan Thojan Nikalta September Ni Som Hip Bathuma Changa Pathiani September Ni Som Thumthleng O Hian Headquarters Bial Mission Vengthanga Revival Crusade an Nei Mission Vengthanga Revival Crusade Nei Hi Local Missions Department Hwai Hoda Nei Ni in Local Church Board Den Rahman na Ansiam Thunga Chanchin Shiat Thejina September Ni Som Hi Panga Missionary Day Thleng Khan Tharau Thiang Hlim Polan Hnuaya Hun Mangin Revival Team Te Rongbol Na Kal Tlangin Mitsak Lote Biak In Thleng Phatho Loten Chakna Anchara Tharau Thiang Hlim Dong Thar Te Po An Chho Zelani September Ni Som Hi Pani Pathian Ni Khan Zol Nuam BLPYD Te Chuan Bairabi BLPYD Te Anto Zol Nuam BLPYD Te Fe Chwakhi Bairabi BLPYD Te Hian Bairabi North Kaushana Laudong Songin Hun Hlim Tak An Manghawa Zol Nuam BLPYD Te Hi An Bial Du Pastor Kemal Som Kiman Ahawbok Bairabi Bial To Tu Zol Nuam BLPYD Te Hi Kumsang Ni Som Pasari July Ni Som Ni Panga Pathian Ni a North Mizoram District Superintendent Reverend Laltuanga Hon Ni in Kumhi Ora Upa Chau Ani Zol Nuam Atang Hia Member Som Li Pani An Thok Chwaka Fe Chwa Program An Nei Chu Hlok Thak An Ti in Zong Chang Chi Tak Ni in An Ngai Ani September Ni Som Ni Panga Missionary Day Zan Khan Din Thar Kaushan Te Chuan Chung Ko Khat Mithar Pathum Kaushana An Senglut Mithar Senglu Na Hidin Thar Bial Du Pastor Reverend C Laltan Chu An Nein Lal Iswa Mengina Lomlu Ta Mithar Lomlu Zinga Pani Nu Berle Afanu Te Chuan Swanga Idam Na Baptisma An Chang Ngal Ani Kaushana Lomlu Mithar Te Hi Unaw Nu F Rohlupui Bible Woman Chuan Tong Trai Sakna Nein Church Board Member Den Lompui Na Le Du Sakna Chibay An Bugbok Din Thar Kaushan Biak In Akumin Chungin Mi Som Hi Pasari Te Chunga Baptisma Rongbol Na Nei Nito In Member Thar Pasari Lomlu Anito Bok Din Thar Kaushan Te Hi Missionary Day Hi Omni Kamin An Mang Ani September Ni Som Hi Pani Pathian Ni Khan Reng Dil Bial Kolalian Home Missions Field a Missionary Unaw Nu Kholian Ni Rongbol Na Kal Tlangin Mithar Pani Kaushana Senglu Anni September Ni Som Hi Pani Pathian Ni Ve Khan Tumpang Loikhwa District Missions Department in Casual Worker Atana Aroi Unaw Nu Lachiat Kimi Rongbol Na Kal Tlangin Mithar Chung Ko Khat Member Paruk Te Chu Kaushana Senglu Anni Bok Dampareng Pui Bial Du Pastor Le Tirkaw Le Upate Malak Na Kalzela Dampareng Pui Bial Tui Pui Bari Center September Ni Som Hi Pakhat Inri Ni Zang Han Paul Pakhat Chungin Member Som Li Pakwa Te Chuan United Pentecostal Church Zomin Reverend Laltuanga North Mizoram District Superintendent Chuan Lal Iswa Mingin Kaushana Senglut Mithar Senglu Pwala in Combat Sa Hi Dampareng Pui Bial Du Pastor R Thanglura Na Kashwaya Unaw Pa Vanal Ruatan Mithar Lomlu Te Inhel Shiatir Na Anaya Unaw Nu Rithi Vanal Ompui Sidon Chuan Zai Rongbol Na Anaybog District Superintendent Reverend Laltuanga Chuan Thusoin Unaw Pentecost Kaushana Luther Te Ta Na Shiatur Tul Tak Tak Asoy Baka United Pentecostal Church te khovel puma ain khai padia dan te asoi boka lali swamhinga swal ngai dam la baptisma chungchang te soin fuina thu thale ro pui tak asoi ani mithar lom lu na program hi North Mizoram District Secretary Reverend Siarpuyan Malsom Jong Chain achin ani September ni somni panhi pathiani inkhoma mithar Pentecostal Channel lo lu te achanga naw lan lo mi som pali te chu Reverend Laltuanga District Superintendent John Iswa Christian Hena Hlan Nahun Kaishwain, Evangelist Isak Lalrohlua, Evangelist Elan Maswana, Reverend Siarpuya, Reverend Laltuanga Le, Evangelist Laltiang Lima, Pastor Thangluraten Naw Hlan Rawngbawlna Anneya, Mi Sompariatin Swangay Damda Baptisma Ansangbog. In Koma Hian Reverend Siarpuya District Secretary Chuan Thusoin, Lali Swa Chumangay Chunga Zuitur An Izate, Sumle Paile Enge Moham Chana Ringot Base Lali Swa Zuitu Techu, Lali Swan Ami Litura Azon Lau Ziate, Pathiana Rin Nangat Tatu Techu Pathianin Anmamo Chu Apek May Chintu Te Asoy Ani. Damparem Puibial Tuipui Baria Hian Sidon Le Persang Kaushan Nei Ani A, Sidon Kaushan Hi Kaushan Puitlinga Lan Kai Nito In, Persang Ero District Missions Department and Kolnwaya Mission Field Ni In, Evangelist Isak Lalrohlua na Omsil Mekani. Mithar lomlu na program mga kal district shwai tu te hian mithar lomlu te inkhom na turbiak insak na hunma cheng singli sangli man an lei ngala biak insak dan turbo rohman na ne ipui ngalbok ani September ni somni pakhal inrinizan khan tlangsang kaushana unaw nu jelan mon kimi nute I Rawngbawlna achangi mithar pathum nei ani mithar zinga panhi te hian swangai damna baptisma changin tlangsang bel du pastor ke aino nan baptisma Rawngbawlna aneya naw pakhat la liswa Krista hena ahlan bok Aizol East District PYD Education Subcommittee te chuan ni sompanga September sang hi sompakwa pathiani zan khan Harmon Kaushan Bethlehem Biala Education Campaign kum inchunga avoi ruknan anneya unaw pa VL Shia chunga Upper Republic Bial chuan chan hun mangin unaw pa la rem tuanga zemabok bialin thu soina hun amhanga fuina thur chatak tak ngai thang ni in member ten hlok thak an ti hle Bazar Bial PYD te chuan September ni somni pakhat inrin ni khan ASC Home Scholarship khwang puilam tan charity right an nei Bazar Bial PYD Conference sanghi sompakwa in alawrel to bo zuin Bazar Bial PYD te chuan bial chung mi thanem ngai te hena donation khanin September ni somni pakhat inrin ni khan ASC Home tan thil peklan na hi anneya PYD member chanem tak thok chuakin bial du pastor Reverend HL Chakunga na troi ombok Bazar Bial PYD te hian home tan hian sabon le thuam no enge mozat le sum fai cheng singthum sanga zathum som hi an hlan ani Until pek te hi Bial PYD Treasurer unaw pa R Lazam Lianan Home Superintendent Evangelist C Vanalwa tan hena hlanin Bial President Upa F Lalthang Lianan report apebok Ole khati zong khatun chumatana North East India UPC Kaushan Rawngbawlna chanchin thar kan thirle ngai thak hole theite ani